What is up, everybody? Welcome to TTR. It is Friday, so you know what that means. We're going to get down with some tools here. As you can tell, got competing tools up here. You have Vince's new pride and joy, which is this Milwaukee installation driver. I don't know. Never used it before. Saw it the day he got it, and haven't seen it since. So I'm interested to see what that does. Versus this brand new Bosch GSR 12 volt Flexi Clicky Bait, what's it called? Go. Milwaukee?
Milwaukee.
Go.
That was very close to call.
What do you guys think?
Go. The Bosch is contending right now. Go.
Go. You got the jump on me there. You get that one. Go.
Go.
Go. Milwaukee.
Got one. Go. You started well in advance.
I did not start well in advance.
But I still won.
Go.
Go. You pulled it out, I slipped. It was too much power. Go. Dang. Dang.
Bosch.
Dang, man.
Go. What happened?
Dead trigger.
Oh, okay. Start over.
That was bizarre. Go.
Ooh.
Gotcha. Go. And there is in where
the torque comes into play.
The torque comes into play. Go.
I think you.
Now here's the deal on that.
Yeah, I mean I could probably go another half turn too.
I will, and like, look, this is an installation driver, 3-inch wood screws on speed 2s, not the 410.
Right.
I will say both of the tools stall and they leave it proud somewhat.
Yeah, a little bit. Go. Close.
Very close. Go.
This is where that torque comes into play.
Milwaukee.
Go.
Go. You're not first, you're last.
You know what's funny? I still almost won.
1.5 self-tappers. How'd you almost win? What'd you do?
I picked it up.
Which way
Wait
did
a
you drive?
second, then I drove it in.
How did it go so quick, Jimmy?
I don't know.
I think you cheated.
Maybe.
Go.
Ah!
Yeah, you almost won that time too. Go.
I don't feel like I lost power. Still smooth. I didn't lose any power.
I will tell you this much. As crazy as that seems, it's, you know, I know we're standing upright. I will say this. Number one, Milwaukee won. Pretty odd. Because in speed 1, that was your realm.
Yeah.
Let's move into speed 2. Maybe there is a power loss, brief power loss. Go.
I think Milwaukee.
Maybe in Milwaukee because of the extra torque. Go.
No hands.
Here's your one hand on you. Go. No problem for Milwaukee.
This struggled in speed 1 with the other self-tappers too.
Why?
I just don't think it has enough torque.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to run speed 2?
Yeah.
Go. Milwaukee would have won. Go.
Cut the clean hole. Guess what? I know this didn't win, but I have no problem with this tool.
Yo, I can tell you, it's pretty awesome. Go.
I stalled out. Oh, I'm smoking.
Oh! So am I, though. So am I. This is not made for that.
That's what I definitely wasn't, you know, pushing it either.
So am I. It's not made for paddles, homeboy.
Yeah.
Go.
Go. Oh!
That was very close. Go. Course I was in reverse. I'm gonna tell you this much right now. I could probably drive it down. I was literally like, I don't want this to burn out on me.
I win.
I think you did.
Go.
Roger that. I'm getting a little bit of odor.
Citrus odor. Yeah, I'm getting a little smell, a little heat. You're smoking a little.
We were getting a little smoke there.
Yeah, you were. No smoke on this one yet, though.
The smoke show. Yo, I will say this. The battery is toasty as heck.
Feel this.
Not bad. That's it. I'm not going to force the tool. This is beyond the realm of the installation
I
driver.
think Bosch wins this one.
No, it doesn't. I'm definitely further. Yeah, how's Bosch win?
Because I have one sunk.
Big deal.
You don't have one sunk.
It's fully sunk.
That's sunk.
Yeah.
You'd leave a job saying that's sunk.
Your philosophy is
You're a
sunk.
You're a philosophicizer.
About 110 degrees here towards the motor and trigger area. Okay, and then when we get down to the battery, we're in the 90-degree range. Okay, for the Bosch, And we're right around that same 90-degree range. The motor on the Bosch, wow. We're in the 120-degree range. 124. Through.
17.70.
$21.45. What are your thoughts? Give me some thoughts here.
This is a contractor grade tool. This is a very good tool. For $159, I would have no problem buying this tool, throwing it in my bag, taking it from job to job, and doing a large majority of the work that I would need to get done with this tool. The Milwaukee, obviously, is every bit of this and a little bit more. But, again, I don't think you need to rush off of this platform to get this. There's actually some features that I like about the Bosch better. It's a little bit lighter. Like I said, I don't have a machine hand like Vince.
The machine hand.
I have a weight hand. I can tell you what's heavier. I don't like the forward-reverse selector up on top. I like it in its more conventional place. But I wouldn't sneeze at this tool, obviously. I mean, this is Vince's holy grail of tools.
I do like it.
This is keeping up with it, and it is every bit as much a contractor grade and efficient tool as this. Sorry, just is.
This is really becoming one of my favorite tools. I was a little disappointed to see a little bit of smoke earlier in the stream, but you know, it made it through. On the flip side, this is a very impressive tool, especially at its price.
Yes.
Okay. 5-in-1 functions. I'm not understanding.
We don't know what the fifth function is.
How this is 5-in-1 compared to this being 4-in-1. For my money, I'm still going to stay in the Milwaukee platform. If you, okay, and because that is because I think that this is ultimately the better tool, okay. Plus the M12 line is larger, vastly larger than the Bosch line. If you are a contractor looking for a contractor grade tool in a 12-volt platform, something that has multiple functions, a modular drill driver, and you're on a budget, maybe you're on a tighter budget, whatever it is, maybe this is something you should consider. I think this would do you well.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? It's a good tool. Listen, everybody, I want to say a special thank you. I mean, because literally, the tools, the wood, the fasteners, the bandwidth, the camera, the computer, Jimmy.
The Bosch tool that you just bought today.
That's what I'm saying. The tools they cost us money. They cost us money, and we appreciate the very cool gang members who and listen. I know you work hard for your money, just like we do, if not harder. Okay, and it humbles us that some of you choose to contribute monetarily through money. I mean, everyone contributes free by smashing the like button, because it's free to smash the like button.
Very easy.
But some of you take it a step up and monetarily contribute so that the show will go on, and we appreciate that.
video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.